Mohammed's family back in June. Mr. Hussein, thank you for your time.
Thanks for having me.
I understand that the way you see this, you believe this is a case of Kenyan officials being, you allege, corrupt, soliciting bribes, specifically, you say, from Canadian Somalis when they travel to Kenya, and that the Canadian High Commission there in Nairobi is just allowing this to happen. Is this correct?
Well, I wouldn't say allowing it to happen. What we're saying is that they are not giving the benefit of the doubt to victims of this solicitation of bribes. By the way, the fact that Kenyan officials are corrupt is not an allegation. It's an established fact. Transparency International, which tracks worldwide corruption, has always ranked Kenya as one of the most corrupt countries in the world. They've also established beyond a reasonable doubt that Kenyan institutions, especially their police force and their immigration system, is completely corrupt. So this is not something that is based on anecdotal evidence.
Okay,
it's a fact.
Let me ask you that. Pointing out that it is a fact, then, how advisable is it for a Canadian to be traveling to that country?
Well, a lot of the Canadians of Somali heritage who go to Kenya do so for reasons that are beyond tourism. They go there for business. Right. They go there to visit relatives and family, but also they go there. Kenya is a regional hub, and a lot of UN and NGO offices are based in Nairobi. So if you work in the NGO sector, or if you want to work anywhere in East Africa, you are more than likely to end up going through Nairobi. And so it's not a question of choice, it's a question of necessity. A lot of these people have to go through Nairobi for their various important and understandable reasons.
For whatever reason you're traveling, though, I mean, has the Canadian government on this end done its due diligence and posted, any kind of information on any website? I mean, from this standpoint here, what should Canada be doing in light of the fact that you mentioned, right?
Well, what it should be doing, we are calling for the Canadian government to instruct the Canadian High Commission to be a little bit more forceful with the